Hello students, this is your new activity household circuit and this is your last activity. Okay, so what is the aim of the activity? It is aim to design, build and demonstrate a simple household electrical circuit, and the apparatus required is on and off switch, 3-pin socket, flexible connecting wire, bulb, fuse, power supply. Okay, diagram part is given this. So in the exam, what all things you have to write? You have to, whatever aim is given in the slip, that will be your aim. Apparatus, it is shown over here. Power supply, fuse, switches, bulb. Okay, this is the block view is given, and connecting wire. Okay, where S1, S2, S3 means what? It is S1, S2, S3 is what? It is on off switches, and L1, L2, L3 is the live wire which is coming directly from the fuse, which is the main wire से जो fuse में जाके wire आएगा, that is the live wire जहाँ से supply आएगा, and live terminal, and N stand for neutral terminal, and E is for earthing. So what in this, what we have to do? We have to connect a live wire, that is L1, L2, L3 in series with the switches. So जो live wire होता है वो switch के कैसे connect होता है? Series में connect होता है. This question can be asked for the wire, how they are connected, in series or in parallel. So you have to keep in mind that the live wire is connected in series with the S1, S2, S3. Okay, and each set of live wire and the switch in parallel combination is with each other, and the each set of live wire and the switch in parallel combination with each other as shown it is in the diagram. Now the fuse we have to connect in series with the main supply and main switch and the AC main. जो fuse होता है कैसे connect होता है? Series में connect होता है main switch से and the AC mains 230 volts जहाँ से जो आता है supply. Okay, so AC mains fuse कैसे connect होता है? Series में connect होता है. Okay, so what we have to do? We have to join all the neutral wire together and connect to the neutral terminal of the AC main. AC main में भी न्यूट्रल टर्मिनल होगा, तो सभी का जो न्यूट्रल वायर होगा सबको क्या करना है? एक कॉमन कनेक्ट करना है. Okay, similarly all the earthing wire also we have to connect together to the earthing connection. So these things are there for in the household circuit. जो अपने घर पे बोर्ड होता है, इलेक्ट्रिकल बोर्ड होता है जहाँ पे मेन सप्लाई होता है, उसमें जहाँ पे स्विचेस होता है, बेसिकली जो 230 वोल्ट आता है किसी भी इंस्ट्रूमेंट के लिए, इलेक्ट्रिकल अप्लायंस के लिए 230 वोल्ट नहीं लगता, तो उसको क्या करता है? डिफरेंट ब्रांच में डिवाइड किया जाता है. ओके, 230 वोल्ट को डिवाइड करते हैं. इसको फ्यूज से इसलिए पास किया जाता है कि ताकि ओवरलोड होगा तो यहाँ पे जो कनेक्शन होगा वो ब्रेक हो जाएगा, तो जो भी अपना अप्लायंस होता है वो प्रोटेक्ट हो जाता है बिकॉज ऑफ दिस फ्यूज. सो बट these are the part, but we have to do only theory part, because in exam you are not supposed to do any connection, nothing. We will be providing you a ready kit where all the connection are done. Even circuit diagram also you can do very easily it, because it is drawn on the board only. So you can very easily, by seeing this also you can draw the diagram. So you have to just write the aim. Apparatus is very easily, it is given fuse, indicator, socket, then switches, bulb, connecting wire, all these are apparatus will come. Circuit, then next you have to draw the circuit diagram, which is also drawn on the board. By seeing this diagram only you have to draw. Okay, so just we have to see the function, how it works, what you will do. We have to write the function of the fuse, what is the use of fuse, what is the wire, how they are connected in series or in parallel. Only these things we have to write in the writer. So as I told you, the switches S1, S2 is indicates with on and off switches, and L1, L2, L3 is the live terminal, which is and N is stand for the neutral terminal. Okay, so here we can say S1, S2, S3 are the switches, B1, B2, B3 are the bulbs, and these switches and bulbs are connected. Each set of wire they are connected in series. So जो live wire है, the live wires are in series with the switches. Okay, and each set of live wire and switch in parallel combination with each other. So these are the connection part which has already done. Only we have to write the connection, how they are connected. So in procedure part everything is there, the same procedure part you have to write. Okay, and how they are working, what we are doing. So if I press the switch S1, what will happen, तो जो बल्ब भी है जो उसके सीरीज में कनेक्टेड है वो क्या हो जाएगा, ग्लो करेगा. When I press the switch S1, when बल्ब B1 क्या हो जाएगा, ग्लो करेगा. फिर जब तुम S2 को प्रेस करोगे B2 ग्लो करेगा. एंड व्हेन यू विल प्रेस S3 और देन S3 विल वर्क. सो ईच स्विच इज कनेक्टेड इन सीरीज विद द बल्ब. एक को ऑन किया बल्ब ऑन हो जाएगा, S2 को ऑन किया B2 ऑन हो जाएगा, S3 को ऑन किया B3 ऑन हो जाएगा. व्हेन यू विल मेक S3 ऑफ, सी हियर दिस बल्ब भी ऑफ हो जाएगा. व्हेन यू विल मेक S2 ऑफ, ये बल्ब भी ऑफ हो जाएगा. व्हेन यू विल मेक दिस. So in this way it's a very simple, it's a very common. When you will press the S switch S1 bulb B1 will glow. When you will press the switch S2 bulb B2 will glow. When you press the switch S3 bulb B3 will glow. So these things only we have to observe and we have to write. Clear? So what is household circuit? Household circuit is क्या है? Household circuit is an electrical system that basically control the flow of electricity at our house, and the electrical service in our house is divided into branch circuit. Okay, and each of which supply power to every appliance of our house. It is important to make sure that no branch circuit is carrying too much load, or otherwise if too much load will be there, it will cause a problem to react breaker or replacing fuse. Now how the circuit wire is in the house? Now the circuit breaker and the fuse, what they do, the circuit breaker and the fuse which is connected in the electrical household circuit, they prevent electrical fires and overheating that can be caused by an overloading of an electrical currents. So circuit in our house is generally wired in parallel. How they are connected? They are connected in parallel, which allow you to operate each light or power point independently. अगर parallel में नहीं होगा, series में क्या होगा? They all are connected in series. So it is not you cannot control. So they are connected in parallel. So they work independently. Okay. So wire current circuit in our house are generally wired in parallel, which allow us to operate each light or power point independently of the other. And what is the importance of earthing? Now earthing is important because earthing is used to protect you from an electrical shock. जो earthing होता है वो क्या करता है? It is used to protect us from electrical shock, and it does this by providing a path. वो एक अलग path provide करेगा, so that we can say a protective conductor. Earthing, we can say that it is a protective conductor for a fault current to flow to the earth. It also calls the protective device. It protects the device. How they protect the device? It is a circuit breaker, or we can say a fuse, to switch off the electric current to the circuit that has the fault. So it protects the component from damage due to वेरिएशन ऑफ द वोल्टेज. जब वेरिएशन होगा वोल्टेज का तभी ओवरहीटिंग होगा, ओवरलोड होगा. सो इट ब्रेक्स, जो फ्यूज होता है वो ब्रेक हो जाएगा. सो इट प्रोटेक्ट्स द कंपोनेंट, इट प्रोटेक्ट्स द कंपोनेंट ड्यू टू कंपोनेंट फ्रॉम डैमेज ड्यू टू वेरिएशन इन द वोल्टेज. So these are the use of the components, that is fuse, connecting wire. They are connected in parallel so that each appliance can be operate independently. So there is nothing much more in this. So what you have to do, the question part which is there in your book, I'll share the PDF, and in exam only you have to draw the diagram. You have to draw this diagram clearly. You have to write the procedure, how the switches and bulbs are connected, how the wires are connected, what is the function of the fuse. Fuse protects the component if due to overheating and overloading, or we can say variation in the voltage. And okay, and this live wire are connected in series with the fuse. So these things we have to write. So जो fuse है it is connected in series with the main switch, and what we are checking after doing this, we are just checking the live wire and the neutral wire should be well separated, and the following precaution also we have to follow. The live wire and the neutral wire should be well separated. While making connection, do not connect the wire of AC mains, because AC mains से direct 230 volt आता है. So do not connect the wire of AC mains. All connections should be tight. There should not be any loose current. So these things we have to follow. But in exam, you are not supposed to make any connection. Already ready kit will be provided to you. You have to just observe, draw the diagram, write the procedure, and the Viva question based on the how they are connected, how the wires are connected in the house, what is the importance of earthing, and what is the role of fuse, and what is the basically a household circuit. So these things can be asked as a Viva. Clear? So I hope there is nothing much more in this to explain you. It's a very simple activity. So, and this is your last activity. So complete all the activity and experiment part very neat and clearly.